After my hip replacement surgery, I needed help with every little thing. My daughter Stephanie reorganized a bedroom at her house, removed all the area rugs, and got me a walker with wheels to get around. She stayed close by in case I needed help, like getting up to go to the bathroom. That was one task that gave me the most trouble.
Even though Mom's hip replacement surgery was a success, being somewhat immobile during her recovery was difficult for her. In the beginning, I had to help her sit or stand every time she wanted to move.
I really appreciated being at Steph's the first few days, but I wanted to get back to my own home, do things for myself. I never felt so dependent before.
Well, everything changed once I found the toilet seat riser. Traditional toilets usually have seats that are only 15 to 17 inches high. For someone with compromised mobility, that can be quite a distance to bend. A 5-inch riser can make a huge difference. The raised toilet seat helps reduce the distance for Mom when she stands up or sits down. It also helps alleviate the stress on Mom's hips, back, and legs. It's an easy setup. All we needed to do is attach the padded arms, place down the seat, and secure the safety lock, and it's all set.
Stephanie knew that using the bathroom was an issue for me. She was convinced that the raised toilet seat would solve my problem, and she was right. I no longer have to struggle just to get up to go to the bathroom, and most important, I have my privacy back.
And I can relax knowing that Mom is safe back in her own home.